Good morning, good people. Welcome back to A Moment on Mondays with your girl, your sister, I'm your friend, and personal growth coach, Stephanie R. Strong. And this morning, I'd like to speak to you about plugging into the right source. It is very important that you understand which source of power you need to plug in to if you are trying to get to your destination. Now, listen here. Everybody's got a little power in at least one area of their life, but is it the power that you need to match the current to your destiny? See, you can't be plugging into any old kind of power because, see, some people have short energy life, and the moment you plug into them, they will zap out all the energy and all the power that you have already stored up. Then there are those with alternating current. See, they're high and they're low because their greater power has been reduced to a low voltage to handle where they are. Then there are those with direct current. They have high voltage, but it only flows in one direction. And if you are going to plug into the right source, then you have to realize and recognize which source you need to plug in. And here's how you do it. Number one, consider the source. Consider whether or not the source that you are plugging into has enough power to get you going in the direction that you need to go. Number two, plug into God every single morning. Meditation, prayer, praise, and petition, because that's the real source of power and it never runs out. Number three, plug into like-minded people who have a high voltage and high charge because they understand their destination. They have the right intention in mind. And if you are going to connect with anybody, connect with those who are heading upward, not those who are spiraling downward, not those who fluctuate here and there, up and down, in and out. Plug into people and organizations and companies and groups that are going to inspire you, motivate you, and lift you up and light you up and give you a charge that will keep you going on the path that God has designed for you to travel upon. Well, that's all that I have for you today. Make sure you are plugging into the right energy source. I will see you on next Monday. But until then, make this your best day ever.